YouTube? Your boy Chevy Box Rider here with a little update. Riding in the box right now, going to where I got my C10 at. So a lot of my videos now is gonna be on the build of the C10. And excuse me, I know the camera jumping around. But yeah, I'm getting some body work done. I'm changing the rocker panels on the C10 and floorboard and stuff. So thought I'd bring y'all on a nice little ride with it. Go check on it, plus I'm gonna help them break it down and everything like that. So that's what I got going on. So let's get to it. Alright, YouTube, pulling up to where the C10 at. My man Billy, cool down to earth dude, man. Cool down to earth. This man owns all this. Look at that. Look at that. I'm in right hand, in the good hands, bruh. This man got some cool shit too. He got some cool shit. Man, this C10 is so nice. A little sparky, better get out the way. Yeah, I see it over there. Alright, let's get over there and get to checking it out.
Where I gotta get, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So,
oh yeah, I see what you're saying all up there in that kick panel and stuff.
and look at that one. That's the bad one.
Oh shit.
You can see the floorboard. And if you look, I mean, you can see all of that's going all the way up.
Oh yeah.
Damn near. So it really just depends on how far you really want to go with it.
Right.
Because the floorboard.
How is this part right here?
Oh, that's good.
Oh, that.
That's all solid.
Okay.
Everything's solid. Everything's good. I think what happened, Damien, is over here on this side, man. I think it just started leaking water down through the cow.
Oh, okay.
Because if you look, you can see it just came down right. Oh, that's where it came in right there. I didn't even peel that back, but you see that right there. So basically,
and that's part of the firewall there,
yeah,
huh?
I'm gonna tear that shit out.
Yeah.
That way we can see it. But if you look. Yeah. See right here where my light is, somewhere out here. You look all the way into the floor of the truck.
Yep. Straight where it came from.
So whatever water came inside, usually the air conditioned condensation.
Or probably the heater core or something.
Or the heater core. Absolutely.
That's probably, and I bet you that's probably what it is. That heater core was leaking and leaking.
And it had that hole there and it was just running it out on your floorboard.
Yep. Yep, I bet you that's what it was.
So really, like I say, if you look underneath it, it looks pretty dang solid.
Right, that's what I did when I laid up under it. I was looking at it.
Without carrying it. I mean, I throwed all that stuff away. That sound deafener.
Yeah.
This was over the hump, but there's the piece that was actually on. You can see it's still wet.
Exactly.
So this stuff's just holding that moisture.
Just holding it in. Yeah.
So, anyhow, I'm gonna start on that side, cutting out.
Okay.
And I may have to set some of your parts outside. I think I'm gonna move my little truck because I gotta stare the guy. I gotta start it sometime this week, which means that I'm gonna be on and off.
Oh yeah, no problem with that.
So, everything looks pretty dang good, other than, you know, that passenger side. I'll come in here and, you know,
because wasn't on that fender, it looked like it was rolled under.
It is?
Yeah, that's what I thought it was. I said it looked like somebody maybe hit a stump or got it caught or something.
Right there, you can see it.
Yep. Yep, but like I said, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all new fenders.
In the front, right? Are you gonna buy all new fenders and stuff? Oh, that'd be good. Because Bondo right here.
Oh.
And then right here, I had to tear that piece out because see, these things are just stamped in, and I couldn't get it, so I had to end up tearing it out. But if you look right through there, you see all them little drips?
Yeah.
You know what that is?
What's that?
It's Bondo.
Right here?
All of them little tits that you see?
Yeah.
That's Bondo.
Wow.
So.
Oh yeah.
That being said, I haven't got into the other one yet.
Right. But yeah.
And that's why I always tell people.
Right.
I can't give you a price because I don't know myself. Once I get into it, then I can let you look at it. You can see for yourself. Exactly. You know what's really going on.
Because I was gonna say, because probably we'll go ahead and buy one. I mean, on your best judgment. I mean, I don't mind buying, you know, floor pan left, right. I don't mind buying it. Or if you think with the, you know, with the metal.
The main thing is killing the rust that's there.
Yeah.
Once you get that rust killed.
Then you're good.
It's done.
Okay.
Washing them or cleaning, whatever.